When I make this dessert, there's never anything left. To start, place 3½ ounces of cookies in a baking dish. Next, in a saucepan, pour 2 whole eggs, 1 ounce of sugar, and 3/4 of an ounce of cornstarch. Mix everything very well. Add 14 fluid ounces of milk and mix again. Then, add 1 ounce of butter and mix once more. Remove a portion of the cream we prepared. Pour it into the dish with the cookies and mix well to form an even layer. After that, add another layer of cookies on top. Back in the saucepan, add half an ounce of cocoa powder to the remaining cream and mix well. Transfer this chocolate cream to the dish, spreading it over the cookies. Refrigerate for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, melt 2 3/4 ounces of chocolate in the microwave or using a double boiler. Add 1 3/4 ounces of heavy cream and mix until you have a ganache. Pour the ganache over the chilled dessert. Spreading it to form an even layer. And that's it. Our delicious cookie dessert with white cream and chocolate is ready. It's the perfect recipe to impress your guests. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you liked it, don't forget to give our video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, click the subscribe button to follow all our creations. See you next time.